Welcome everyone to another exciting insight into what makes First Coding Path so special. Today we're talking about something we hold close to our hearts, creating a fun learning environment for your child. At First Coding Path, we believe that learning should be an adventure filled with laughter and curiosity. We've designed our courses to be more fun than just educational. Our classrooms are a vibrant blend of learning and play, where kids are encouraged to explore and ask questions and most importantly, enjoy the journey. With interactive lessons, engaging activities, and so many projects, we have created an environment where your child feels excited to come to class. We're not just teaching coding, we're nurturing young minds in a friendly, supportive space, and learning feels like an adventure. Join us at First Coding Path and let your child experience the joy of learning in a fun filled environment.